Ha ka jing pen krea na Bynta ka jing wan tem uklu nong rwai ba pau ka perthe u Ed Sheeran ka ban salong ha ka khar ar ta rigram phang ar ja ar phusan ha SRGT ground polo na kalyang ki bor pinya district kilapan banai katu katni ki jing pen tep na Bynta ki pajba ki banne chakate kata masa bai ki khanna ki basan Snem SHAPOH anam sha ladaran ki kimi ki Rah Khyllung san Snem SHAPOH am sha banrung but anam sha banrai ki nuki tiar lai tang ka beg pisa mobile phone bat shabi kali habai de be ki helmet laken tu ki nongwan pet kai bala da long ka bala bakin bu kinu ki jaka babyang namar anam sha banra shapo nakalyang katanat pulit pinyat kali kila pente bakandan ka jing pen kala ha ka rukom yat kali khnang banlait na ka jing deheng kali nadu kapor lai beji janmiet bat kala kentu ki patba banlong jai bat banom la thingyan ha kapor barung shapo Shushu nakaliang ka DC kalapan tip baki kmi lenti baka jingwan poi ki nong pet kai ka poi siya ka 8,000 ngut AA.
Iskwa ban TBP kani ka program kanlong habasmi andre petitioning andre ki ge min na do sa uji sen ki surok ban le chapo chicken stadium in khang ki to ki lenti bawa kumbala batai experiment na do ka for lai uji nang tangi expect ki bril ban poi ka to kasni kinang 8,000 nakatagadaw ngidan kawi ka jin ngidan ita jin so berkat bang ide penting ba nama ba ker entry ka data Tylli tan ada penlapai di Tylli gate kadang sekawai baslet third gate katamo mereka how kadang pendungi kadang Tylli so kani kadang ka bang ni ya bu jin macam pi baro ki banwan pekan ba kala ban sempur bat na takarami kong yepi ban wan kam klo bat habang i wan kam klo i kam wan bangini khanyat ne mo ni patrong ni webe ni lik nam tang concert ni ko hi ba ka kinya le ban ni subha ban yo ka por bo biang te ni kemen ba kan ni kan ya be ki e ha ka ba ya dei ba kabam in plan at Sawaje. I did not mention this. Food will be still open at 4 p.m. Till 10 p.m. Also, kabam gadan hamtu Shah Rah pala ikinigilay tili ki kawai de mobile jampi kabaar kade Shopee kali jampi kabalai kade ki wallet lani plapisa jampi tikini de lai tili ki bangi nibo kendon banum dan mara pala ni kata kila dadan manu aku kini ayo sidan ni bang sitang kila ban dan kumbala mana ni rumi dan garis dan basitang te nama tak kata ru ila abu ke arrangement dan ki medical team jeni kemba khabai kan atli ki medical team across the stadium ke bangidan berkenaan ke control room hang ta control room in bo igi ngidan ki team naga SDMA SDRF ke DDMA la jong hami cuma district nang ta de fire service nang ta de ya ke emergency service MPRO police but medical team ki medical arrangement bina de bo ina de trial and tested nang ta de ni kwa ban om ba Rah Khyllung Hapoh san Snem minum Shah wan Badadalan mana Rah Khyllung Hapoh san Snem ngin pen phai na igi shwashia magin bu igi kuat bat min sa sha igi ban wan phai pa mo na marga plan sa thong ala de bok ba ka drum entry kan no problem la de kiwara se khilum dan de sha khanya e kadan ka problem ham tu dan na tang ni om ba wan ya lam hi concert ke ju sha Rah Khyllung Hapoh san Snem des mo ha wat break dan oma nan ta bada so hapo ko ke SRGT kita gong Rah Khyllung kina ban buang tu kin bu ngoi ke jaga ban drop point ham tu tang ba kan bahala da ki make arrangement da ngoi na ba kan price ba kila mo tu da bu shi hajar tu ki helmet ham tu ru ngatrai kam capacity jong tu kam ka jaga kan dan temano dia ja so ka advice na ni jong ikan ba kan ba avoid make arrangement Duki Bimo, nanti diskuti lah dan play gato ga seat and cap out so Le kita ki ben sup epi ben sup ini.
Briefly give you an idea of the diversions and the junctions where regulations would be made. The regulations would start from 3 p.m. because as what Madam has said, 4 p.m. the gates would open. So the first place where regulation point would be no entry at Lomjingshai Junction towards CRPF Junction Polo, no entry at Lomjingshai Junction towards Forest Colony. Vehicles out there will be diverted towards Lamani Junction and beyond. Then number 2, no entry at Lamani Junction towards Polo. Vehicles will be diverted to Lomjingshai, Jingthangpriyo and Jaya. No entry at Golfling Tri Junction towards Polo. Here vehicles will be diverted towards Maura Tri Junction and Tiara Restaurant Junction. No entry at City Hut Dhaba Junction towards Polo, the one-way road. Vehicles will be diverted towards Oakland Road. No entry at BJP office towards Oakland Road and Polo. Vehicles there will be diverted towards CS Junction. No entry at PK Bajoria Junction towards Fort Farah. Vehicles will be diverted towards Shillong Commerce College Junction and beyond. No entry at no entry at Gurdwara Junction towards St. Anthony's College. Vehicles will be diverted towards Lower Lashmia and Ajmi Point. Regarding the parking arrangements, we have a number of places where the general public can park. The first one is the Redfield Golfling, that is just opposite the golf retreat. The second one is the roadside parking, one side only from Tiara Restaurant Junction to the CM Connect office. The third one is the roadside parking, one side only around the golfing area. That means from Golf Club to Old BTS and Tiara Restaurant Junction. Then the roadside parking, one side only from FCI Junction to Lomjingshai Junction. Another place where they can park is the State Central Library campus and the State Convention Center campus. So these are the places where the general public can park their vehicles. Like what ma'am was saying, we just want to urge the public that during ingress, they should not be pushing and heckling. There are 2 gates for entry, and so we urge people. There are turnstiles out there. There are about 8 channels where people will have ingress. So you have 3 points of checking. One is the first soft check, where actually people will show their bands, and that's a visual check. That's the first soft check. The hard check, when you reach the turnstiles, where you'll have DFMDs, and frisking is out there. The last is also just a soft check before you enter the stadium. So these are the arrangements made in place. Police arrangements are we are handling the periphery and also the inside, along with the security component of the event managers. So that's about it from traffic.